안녕하세요. Are you in Korea trying to use Roblox voice chat but it's just not working? It can be a real bummer when you want to talk to your friends but can't. Don't worry, in this video, I'll walk you through a few fixes to get your voice chat up and running. Solution 1. Verify age and permissions. First, let's make sure the basics are covered. To use voice chat on Roblox, you must be 13 or older, and your age must be verified. This can be done by providing valid ID through your Roblox settings. Once you have verified your age, you'll need to go into your privacy settings and make sure the Use Microphone to Chat with Voice option is toggled on. Solution 2. Check your device's microphone permissions. Even if you have enabled voice chat in the Roblox app, your phone or PC might be blocking it. Go to your device's app settings and find Roblox. From there, check the permissions and make sure that microphone access is enabled. If it's not, turn it on and then try to use voice chat again. Solution 3. Restart the app and your device. Sometimes a simple restart is all it takes. Fully close the Roblox app and then reopen it. If that doesn't work, a complete restart of your phone or computer can clear out any temporary software glitches that might be affecting the voice chat. Solution 5. Check your internet connection and VPN. A stable internet connection is essential for voice chat. If you are on Wi-Fi, try restarting your router. If you are using a VPN, it might be causing connection issues or routing you to a server where voice chat is restricted. Try disabling your VPN and see if that fixes the problem. Solution 6. Reinstall the Roblox app. If you have tried everything else, a clean reinstallation might be the answer. Go into your device settings and uninstall the Roblox app completely. Then restart your device and download a fresh copy from the Google Play Store or the App Store. This can fix any corrupted files that are causing the voice chat to malfunction. I hope one of these solutions help you to get your voice chat working in Roblox. If you're still having issues, it might be the time to contact Roblox support for more specific help.